What is power? Power is work that is done in a certain amount of time. The dw dt, if w is the work, is the instantaneous power at time t. We also know power in terms of political power. That's very different. Political power, you can do no work at all in a lot of time, and you have a lot of power. Here, in physics, life is not that easy. The units of power are the units of work, which is joules per second, for which we often write W, which is named after the physicist Watt. Don't confuse this W for work with the W for watt, which is 1 joule per second. Now, the work that I do, that the force is doing, is the dot product between the force and a certain displacement of that force. We have dealt with that before. That is a little bit of work that I'm doing, right? I have a force which is constant during a small displacement. And so I can substitute that in there, and so I get that the power is the derivative of this versus time. And that is, if I keep the force constant for that short amount of time, is the dot product times the velocity, because dr dt is simply the velocity of that object. So power is also force dotted with the velocity. If the force were perpendicular at all times to the velocity vector, then the power is 0.